everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change Microsoft account password. So let's start. Now the first thing you do is that you sign into your Microsoft account. So account.microsoft.com will take you to your Microsoft account, and then we're here right now. I want to change the password. So as you can see up here, don't need to even go far. Right on the home page we have change password. So click on change password. I believe it's going to be easy. Then you have to verify your identity by the email address. You'll be given a code in the email address. Click on the email address, and then the code that you're given, the code will be sent to your email. So that code that you're given, you have to put it in, input it to show that you actually own the email. So I'm checking my Gmail right now on my phone, so I can access the code and input it. So once you've done that, once you've gotten the code, you have to input it. So 966184, the code I got. Then don't ask me again on this device, verify. Now you have to enter a strong password, but first you have to enter your current password, then enter your new password. It must be minimum of 8 characters. Then you re-enter the password, and then once you've done that, you click on save, and that's it. Now you can also turn this on to make Microsoft allows you to change your password every 72 days. So that's another way to do it for security reasons. So once you're through, you click on save. Don't forget your current password, your new password, and your re-enter. Now if you've forgotten your password, click on forget password, go through the whole verification stuff again, and your new password will be given to you, or you'll be given the opportunity to put in a new password. We have to go through a lot of verification process. Anyway, that's it. So that is how to change Microsoft account password. It's as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, if you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips and tricks like this video put up every day. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye for now.